So guys, just as I was talking to you, I got this message on my phone that says to follow the trail. It will lead you to your next assignment. The only person that really knows how to find a trail right now is Marley. What trail are we supposed to find? You know? Okay, follow you? What is that in the tree?
Tide? What is Tide doing in Willow's tree?
How did she change our channel name?
What, Naya versus Ellie?
CrayCray DIY. She said it's called CrayCray DIY. Yeah. She wants the Slime School channel. All right, guys, we'll see you later. All right, guys, so if you saw our video on Nye and Ellie show, you know that we got a message. Well, first of all, we had to find this piñata with all these slime ingredients. It was really weird. And then we got a message that basically TikTok Master wanted to take over our old Slime School channel, which is what you're watching now. But this is the thing. This is what's so crazy. In the message, she also said that she was renaming this channel CrayCray DIY. I guess she doesn't want it to just be slime. So we're supposed to do this, and we had to accept the challenge. It's really weird. So we haven't made slime in a long time. If you guys have watched this channel before, we're super rusty at making slime. But let me show you all the ingredients that we found. In fact, let's show the clip right now of what we found on that video. Yeah. Okay guys, so far we have these Fruit Loops here, we have double stuffed Oreos, and we have this Tide. Ellie, what does all this mean? Okay, so there's a piñata here. Let's see if she can do it. Oh! Naya, you guys are so strong! Okay, it looks like an Oreo cookie and some glitter. Fruit Loops? Beads? Are you serious? Okay, so as you see, we have everything here. We have Tide, we have these little beads right here that we have to use. We have the cereal, and we have glitter. So I'm thinking we're making what? A cereal slime, a bead slime, and
like a glitter slime?
And a glitter slime has to be. Yeah. But this is the thing about cereal slime. You actually need white glue. So I pulled some old white glue we had in our garage when we moved down here to Florida. I pulled it out. So hopefully she's happy with that.
Sabotage you by not giving you the white glue.
That makes a lot of sense. I don't know guys, but basically if you haven't watched everything that's going on over at Nye and Ellie's main channel, then you know that the TikTok Master has us doing TikToks and trying to take over all of our accounts. So this is another account now. This is called CrayCray DIY. I guess we're gonna have to do DIY challenges over here. So we're super rusty, and hopefully this wait, oh gosh. Okay guys, when we're filming and I get a message, I already know what it is. Okay, hold on. Let me, I hope it's not. Hold on, maybe it's not. Okay, hold on.
Well, of course it's gonna be whole.
You think so? Oh, you guys too, they can see you guys. All right, hold on guys, I'm gonna check this message. It's, your slime school time has began. Complete these challenges each in less than 5 minutes or you'll get deleted. What in the world?
5 minutes?
I mean,
wait, hold on. There's another message. I'm just trying to understand this one. Also, you're gonna get graded, just like slime school, but I'm the new teacher. Each time you make your slime, upload it to Nye and Ellie TikTok so that I can grade you. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so we are back.
Scary.
This is like a challenge school, a slime school. I don't know what this is. So we each have to make these. I don't know who's supposed to make what. Are we supposed to make it at the same time? But it says we get 5 minutes each to complete the slime.
I think she's probably,
you know,
I think it's 5 minutes total. Okay, so Ellie, you're gonna go first. I don't know which one. I don't know if she wants you to do a specific one first or wait, hold on. Pick the glitter I like most or you'll get deleted and fail slime school. Oh my gosh, so I guess you have like gold. Wait, oh my gosh. Okay, so Ellie has to make the slime really fast and she has to pick the glitter that she likes. How are we gonna know which glitter she likes?
I think it's gold because remember her mask is gold. So like, why would you wear a color you don't like?
These are the colors.
But what if it's purple?
So it's like a gold color that we have to use. There's a purple color, and then there's like this kind of hollow, like a hollow color. It's a mixture. But wait. I just remember. Which one was Marley eating the most?
Blue.
We don't have blue.
No, that turquoise, like
This hollow?
Yeah.
Okay,
hollow.
so Marley's really smart. If you don't know, Dog Marley, she has a channel and she was actually taken by the TikTok master. So she's really smart and has dog telepathy and has been helping us solve clues. So whenever she licks something when we're on the trail and she's like really into it, we know that is something
she was super into
she
it.
was super into it. So I think this is it. I think the goal one is to trick you. I think we should go with what Marley said. Guys, show that clip. Actually, hold on, guys. Let me show you that clip of Marley like really into this. Wait, Marley's eating the glitter. Marley, don't eat the glitter. All right, let's see. What's Marley doing? Marley, is that part of it? Oh yeah, she's licking it. It's part of it. Okay. She's really licking this glitter. Marley, you can't have that glitter. So Ellie, let's go ahead and make it. Do you remember how to make slime at all?
Yeah.
You're sure you remember?
You add glue first, and you add like anything you want to add, then you add this.
Oh wait, hold on. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Guys, I just got another text. It says that no one can help you. You have to make it all by yourself without us helping you. All right, Ellie, get started. You gotta, all right, so here are your ingredients. Do you remember? Oh my gosh.
Yes, I remember how to make slime.
So don't.
I always look at videos how to make slime.
Okay, all right, so go ahead and you get your slime together.
Okay. No clue.
Oh, I wish I could help you because it's so heavy, that glue.
I know. Okay, don't make too much.
We can't say anything.
Oh yeah, okay.
I think that's enough
Oh
glue.
my gosh, guys, do you think
Okay.
Ellie's gonna get it? Leave a comment. Do you think
No,
Ellie's
I
gonna
think it's time to
What grade do you
activate
think
it.
Ellie's gonna get from TikTok Master?
Slime.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Oh, is that glitter? It's already a glitter glue. That's cool. Okay, good.
I thought this was glitter.
I thought it was
like glitter.
I know, it looked like glitter flakes.
Okay.
What?
No.
Okay, I can't help him. Can't help him. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. Don't
All
say
we can say is TikTok
Guys,
master.
we
TikTok master.
I know, come on.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I gotta film it for TikTok. Oh my gosh, guys, we're gonna fail. Okay, let me film it. Okay, so you go ahead and mix.
Wow, this is really pretty.
Oh, Ellie, hurry up before time runs. Okay, I can't tell you anything. 1 minute and 30 seconds left.
What? Okay, I need to add my activator. So not too much activator. I'm gonna put some in.
No. What if Ellie actually was the activator?
Oh my gosh, it is so much. Okay.
We can't tell her how
Okay,
much
don't
to
say
add.
anything. Don't say anything. I'm so nervous.
Maybe I need to add white glue.
I don't know. Maybe no. Oh gosh. Don't say anything. Oh gosh. All right, so let's see what Ellie has so far.
So it's just like really
Oh,
pretty.
she's just mixing it and mixing it. Oh gosh, Ellie, I hope you don't fail the slime school challenge for TikTok Master.
Oh no, it looks
'Cause I do
really...
not want to get this channel deleted, and I do not want our TikTok deleted. Okay, Ellie, your time is up. Let's see your slime. Actually, let's just sit it to the side and see what it ends up looking like. Right now, I'm really nervous about this, guys. It's looking really suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Okay, guys, it's time for Naya to start. Let's see if she gets her ingredients correct. Okay,
We can't
so she's
help
got her
her.
glue. Now let's see, put her beads in.
You
Okay.
can't ask if that's too much because...
Yeah, we can't tell her anything. She has to just make it on her own. Okay. I'm so nervous. Okay, looks like it's mixing up good. Okay, hopefully you're gonna get a good grade.
Hopefully we all good grades, A+, but no C's.
Okay, she's mixing up really good. Guys, what do you think? Do you think she's doing a good job? Let us know. Okay, she's taking her time. She's slowly pouring it in. A little different than Ellie. All right, does it feel like slime? Does it feel like the old
It's
slime
starting to
school?
feel like slime, but I gotta like knead it. You always have to knead it. I feel the stretchiness.
You feel it coming through?
Yeah, I feel it
Okay,
coming through. I
guys.
just gotta get it nice
Guys,
and
she's
firm.
gonna get a grade from TikTok Master.
See? It's getting better.
Okay.
But it's just...
Oh, it's getting on your clothes. Oh, it's spilling.
we guys gotta
Okay.
mix and mix.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, put it in a bowl. And then we'll show the complete one for TikTok Master. All right, put it in the bowl quick before she sees you win over time. Okay, so she put it in. Good, now it's my turn. Okay guys, so I'm about to make my cereal slime, and I was gonna use this big bowl, but I think I should use a smaller cereal bowl so it looks more realistic. What do you guys think? Naya, you think you could film it? Okay, let's see if Naya can film it, yeah. All right, Naya's been doing a good job lately of trying to film. Ellie does a good job too. All right, so everyone quiet. I think I'm gonna do a silent, like almost ASMR one. All right, I think I got that good. So now I'm just gonna add some of my cereal to it. And I'm gonna press some of that in there. Okay, actually I should probably just put the whole thing. So here is my final cereal bowl slime, and I think it looks really good. I think I'm gonna get an A on that. All right, I'm just gonna film the side for TikTok, and then that's gonna be it. Okay, so mine's complete. Let's see the girls stretch theirs out just for one final clip for TikTok. We'll get these uploaded, and then we're gonna see what grades we actually get. Guys, I'm really nervous. If we don't get good grades on our slime, we can get deleted. So we need your support. We need you to watch this entire video and give us a support and give us a like. We really appreciate it. All right, here we go. So here's Naya's final stretching, guys. Take a look. What do you think? Woo, okay, she's stretching it. She's stretching it. What do you think? Wow, I think it's looking really good. Some of the beads are coming out, but I think it's looking really good. Okay, so Ellie, let me see yours. Ooh, it's a little pull apart. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're a little out of practice. We got to get better with these so that we get good.
Here, maybe if I stick it together, it'll
look really good.
Maybe if I press it with like a napkin, it'll like stick together.
Yeah, we got to fix it up so it looks really good for the grade. But I think this is it. I think, all right.
This film.
All right, guys, so.
This will be good.
Yeah, that looks really good.
After this video, go subscribe to our TikTok, Molly the Mob, Mommy CrayCray, and 9 Ellie, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now we have those on TikTok. It's time to see our final grades. All right, so for Ellie, are you ready? Ellie, come over here.
No.
Ellie's gonna get her final grade.
Oh God.
Ellie, TikTok Master gives you a C+. Okay, it's not a failing grade, but it's not a perfect grade, but that's fine. Ellie did a really good job, but we're a little out of practice. So Ellie, you got a C+ on that one.
Get like a D
Okay,
or something.
are you nervous?
Yeah.
All right, now you ready for yours?
Oh no, I'm probably gonna get something really bad.
Okay. All right, I'm looking at the text now. I'm looking at the TikTok now. Naya, for your slime TikTok, you get another C+. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so I'm now gonna look at my final grade, guys. I'm nervous, wish us luck because we don't want to get deleted. Make sure you guys are supporting us. Let's see. I get, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. You're not gonna believe this.
You got an A?
I got an A+. She said that our average is a B, so we passed the test! Guys, we passed the test! Oh my gosh.
I thought you got like an F-.
I thought it was gonna be an F-. So guys, we passed the test because we got a B, an average of a B for the class, so that's really good. So guys, thanks for supporting. Wait, what? I gotta sit this down. We got another thing. All right guys, so I just got another message. You've made the slimes by my design. Now it's time to let Poppy in on the fun. Use these slimes to prank Poppy on the CrayCray family channel, or you know what else will happen. We have to prank him. All right guys, that's it for this video. I'm gonna head on over to CrayCray family channel, and I guess I'm just gonna be doing some prank master slime. I don't even know on Pop. Wait, is that him? Okay, so I'm talking really loud. So I'm gonna have to prank him, and I'm gonna have to really get him good with these slimes in order for us not to get deleted.
Why would she make you do this?
I don't know. Why would anybody do any of this crazy stuff? She's nuts. Oh, don't. Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Yes, she's beautiful. Okay, bye, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh my gosh.